So now I want to tell each and every YouTuber out there who is selling these assessment, who is selling these PDFs, please, if you are having assessment PDFs, sell them, but in a good amount. You are getting reach on your YouTube channel, on your Insta page, on your, I'm linking down the mail ID in the description. There is no charges. I am not going to charge.
So this video is totally different. This is not about review, reaction and all, because usually मैं वही चीजें पोस्ट करता हूँ. Video is really strictly for those who are completing their academics from IGNOU. IGNOU एक ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी है, जैसे कानपुर यूनिवर्सिटी में भी आप कर सकते हैं या फिर DU में कहीं पे भी आप एडमिशन ले सकते हैं. वहाँ से ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी के थ्रू कोई भी ग्रेजुएशन, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन आप कोर्स कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. सो आई वॉज डूइंग बैचलर ऑफ आर्ट्स फ्रॉम दैट यूनिवर्सिटी. टाइम इज for examination and we have to submit our assessment, and I was looking for some content for my assignment. मुझे इंटरनेट पर कुछ ऐसा मिला, I was very shocked. IGNOU असेसमेंट रिलीज करता है एग्जाम के एक महीने पहले. मैं उसके लिए कुछ कंटेंट ढूंढ रहा था. मैंने इंटरनेट पे जब देखा तो इंटरनेट पर बहुत लोगों के पास बहुत सा कंटेंट था, बट रीज़न था कि दे ऑल आर सेलिंग देयर असेसमेंट. कोई हैंड रिटन नोट्स बेच रहा था, कोई पीडीएफ्स बेच रहा था, एंड सम आर रियली सिक दैट दे आर सेलिंग इन अ अमाउंट विच इज़ वेरी हाई. एंड for a person who is doing bachelor's degree or master's degree from any university and he is not earning, for those that is a very high amount. So I watched some videos on some channels. So I'm mentioning some channels here. These channels, so when I was going through their contents, they all are making videos about the IGNOU Open University and IGNOU. अचानक से जब मैंने असाइनमेंट्स से रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए वीडियोस चेक की तो दे ऑल आर मेंशनिंग देयर ईमेल आईडी, देयर व्हाट्सएप नंबर, देयर वेबसाइट. और एक चैनल ने तो लिटरली स्कैम ही मचा के रखा है, बिकॉज उसने he mentioned a website and he is selling contents over it. कुछ लोगों के लिए ये अमाउंट बहुत छोटा हो सकता है, बट जिस अमाउंट में वो लोग असाइनमेंट्स दे रहे थे वो अमाउंट रियली काफ़ी हाई था. अगर आप एग्जामिनेशंस फीस की बात करेंगे तो IGNOU ने ऑलरेडी 100 रुपीज़ तक की फीस बढ़ा दी है. सो नाउ इफ़ you are having 8 subjects, which I am having 8 subject bachelor degree, so I need to submit 1600 rupees for my examination fee. And after submitting these 1600 rupees, if I am going to looking for some assessment and they are trying to get money like 3000, 2000 for 8 assignments. Really? Okay, I got your point that you are writing those notes and they are not writing specifically for each and everyone. They have written all the assessment, and now with the changing the front page, they are selling over 100 of students and they are making the money. The question is not about them. This question is about within 1 month IGNOU released all their list of the assessments and the program code and all, and within 10 to 15 days, how come people make 150 subjects assignments? या तो उनको वो डिटेल्स पहले से मिल रही हैं, या तो और अगर उनको वो डिटेल्स पहले से मिल रही हैं तो फिर जो असाइनमेंट्स बेच रहे हैं उनका और जो असाइनमेंट्स टीचर बना रहे हैं उनका. नॉट ब्लेमिंग एनीवन, आई एम जस्ट sharing my experience. So I have completed my assessment, and so now I want to tell each and every YouTuber out there who is selling these assessment, who is selling these PDFs, please, if you are having assessment PDFs, sell them, but in a good amount. Don't make fool. You are getting reach on your YouTube channel, on your Insta page, on your Telegram channel. Everywhere you are getting reach from those IGNOU students, and then also you are making money out of it. I am having PDFs for BAG, Bachelor of Arts in Hindi medium. So I'm having each and every subject's assessment. If you want, guys, I'm linking down the mail ID in the description. There is no charges. I am not going to charge you, and I am not do one thing. If you are having any assignment and you are completing your academics from IGNOU, so just drop it down here and comment down that you are having PDFs. So if anybody needs that, you can share those PDFs and we can share all the PDFs, so he or she don't need to buy those things. And if you want to buy this, if you are having much money, you can buy it. I am not blaming anybody. I'm not telling that don't sell or don't buy it. I'm just sharing my experience. So this was my video about IGNOU, about my experience. And if you are having any sort of doubt, any sort of question, any sort of you want to tell me, suggest something, want to share your feedback, this video is bad or good, you can share in comment section. We will see in the next video. Till then, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Lil Talk. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye.
11:38 हो चुका है. नोटिफिकेशन कितनी आ गई यार, मैंने कुछ नहीं देखा है. एंड आई हैव रिटन ओनली 3 and 4 पेजेस.
लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब.